Hi guys, welcome back to Slime by Sanaya. Today we're going to be making cotton candy slime. And there's going to be two colors, blue and pink, because those are like cotton candy colors. Sorry if you hear barking. You guys are like right by my window. And there's an annoying dog. There's some cute two dogs over there. Hi. Okay. And yeah. So comment down below if you want me to make my intros here more often, because I like this space. It's way much better lighting, like right here. So like, yeah. So there's nothing else to do but get into the video, yo. But first, I got a new gallon of glue, so we're gonna be using that. And yeah, let's go. What we need is a bowl to mix and spatula to mix with, and an empty container. I don't feel like getting that out right now. This is so heavy. It's new. Like I said in my intro, yes, I will be using a new gallon of glue, and that's what I'm doing. So, yeah. Shaving cream, food coloring, lotion. So first you want to get your bowl and pour your glue in. And I'm making 2 slimes for this. So, oh yeah, okay. So satisfying, just so satisfying. Okay, so I'm only going to use that much glue. Now, I'm going to put my food coloring in. The first batch is going to be pink, so. Now I'm going to add my shaving cream. Now lotion. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to form it with some borax solution. Forgot to add that, but let's do it, and then I'll be back with the slime. This is what it should look like. It should look like really stretchy and stuff. Oh my god, that consistency though. Okay guys, it should look like this. I low-key made too much, because literally look, it's filling up my whole container, and I only have and I still have the blue slime to make. So I'm gonna finish boraxing this, whatever it's called, activating this. So this is what it should look like. Really stretchy. Don't add too much borax, but it should look like that. So let's get on with the blue. Same ingredients. She just dyed with blue food coloring. Let's get on with it. I'll exchange the containers too, since this one's too small. I got you. Same ingredients. Glue, food coloring, shaving cream, lotion, borax solution. So this is what it should look like. It should look blue, whatever color you want to make it. And obviously when I mix the, okay, pink right there. Obviously when I mix the pink and the blue together, it's gonna make purple. So just so you know, I know. So it's still like really sticky, but it's the same consistency as the pink, so yeah. Okay, so here's the cotton candy flavors. This one's a little bit more fluffier than this one, so yeah. And I know I got blue right there, but time to swirl. Oh goodness, look at that. Okay, let's start. And this will be in my Etsy shop, so go check it out. It's called Slime Paradise Studio, and just go type that in Etsy because, like, I don't know how to put links in the description box, so that wasn't a good swirl, but it was, I tried. Let's look at this cuteness. Like this. Hook it. So obviously you can see it's turning purple, but yeah. And I'm not gonna make an outro, so tell me if you like the filming by the window intro, or where I usually film it by the intro in the intro, or do you like just intro or no outro? Which one do you like best? Comment down below and tell me, because I will definitely do that for you. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment. Oh yeah, so now I gotta put it in the container. I gotta figure out how to pick this baby up. Okay, so I picked it up. There's a little extra blue left, so yeah, just gonna put it right here. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye people, have a nice day.